Slow the fuck down. Yo, let's see. We live now. All right, so welcome to the Friday Live by the Hood. I'm your host, like I am every Friday. This is Jimmy. And for the folks who may be watching for the first time, this is our show. We come on Fridays and just chop it up with the community, answer questions, talk about what's going on. This is a special show because we got some special guests here, man. But as always, Corey's with me. What's up, Corey?
Yo, man, every day above ground is a good day. You know, I love to be alive, man.
Listen, man, we got some special guests, man. Some fellow NBA top shot addicts in the building, man. My man Billy Beige. Hank, what's up, Hank?
What's going on, man? You know, they call me Pac-Man, man.
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. Listen, Stimmy Jimmy's in the building. Tyrone, what's up, brother?
Hey, man, them things keep calling me, baby. They just keep calling me.
Yo, man, shout out to my brother Dev and Rich. They was trying to be on, but they couldn't make it on with us, man. But, you know, they need a intervention as well, man. So we're going to talk about all that, man. We're going to talk about all that. We got folks chiming in now. For the folks who are chiming in, do me a favor, hit the like button, share the video. You know, let us know what you think about this. I mean, are you an addict as well? Do you need help just like we do? But but real quick though, Tyrone and Hank said right before we got on, NBA Top Shot put out a message. So one of you guys want to explain what they just said?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, whoever, because I didn't see it.
Okay, so so for what I understand, right? They put out a message saying that they had a bunch of plans for the base set, the cards that they were already released, releasing some more cards. I call them cards. They gifts. They whatever. It's money right now. That's why I look at it. so they were planning on releasing more numbers for each of them. But things been going so crazy that they're going to stop whatever they release right now. They're not going to release. They're not going to add any more to the numbers. So if you have a card right now that's part of like a 15,000 or one that's part of a 10, it's not going to grow anymore. Whatever's been there is. But moving forward, they're going to the packs in the future are going to have more cards in their series. So right now,
so early adopters.
I got one thing on the market right now. I bought this morning. You know, I bought it for a nice amount. It's already at the point where it was just about the lowest ask price was right where I placed it, which was about 2-3 times what I bought it for. But now I'm like, shoot, I got to pull that off. But the market is down right now. So I'm like, I'm trying to pull it off right now.
I'm thinking the market is down because they converting things to limited edition at this point.
Bro.
I would definitely, after you sent the joint that you had just got, Jimmy, I was on there, yo. I was on there. I was like, hey, yo, you ain't going to do this to me.
Yo, I got there just in time. Then I got that Anthony Davis, baby. So listen, man. Oh man, I didn't even know all that.
Yeah. Oh, and the rookies, yo. The rookies, they doing something special for the rookies too. Like the rookies about to have limited edition sets where I think it said like around 2,000.
Yeah, I think it was 3. I think it was 3,000.
Yeah. So like the rookies, you get a rookie card. Like I don't know if y'all seen LaMelo because I've only seen one LaMelo on there.
There's only one up there.
And I've been trying.
That is nuts.
Yeah, that was the first thing I looked at. It was too much, man. It was too much.
That showed like 7 racks. I was like,
Listen. I got
to go on that Nexo and take out a crypto loan real quick.
Yeah, right.
You said go to Nexo, take out a crypto loan and go buy something.
Out that loan real quick.
I got the Tyrese Maxey and he ain't even really been doing nothing, but the value keeps going up.
The rookie card, man.
Yeah, man. And the funny thing is, I think that one is I'll take a look at it in a second. It's either 4 or 9,000 is the max. But now what you're saying, oh my God, I can't wait to see what my Bron is worth.
Yeah, I got that KD. I got that with the Hezzy, baby.
Yo, man, we got folks checking in, man. I'm checking with everybody checking. Jose, what's up, brother? Crystal, what's going on? Listen, listen, it is what it is, man. I ain't even talk about the Street Fighter stuff yet. We didn't get into that yet. Terry, what's going on? We can officially start the show because Don is in the building. Don, what's going on? Adrian's here. Jamal's here. Michelle is here, who's also another addict. Yeah. Like we was on a call the other day. We supposed to be giving out ticker symbols and talking about stock, and all he want to talk about is the cards. He don't even care about stock no more. So
I ain't mad at being a crypto addict.
in the same boat with us. Omar, what's up, brother? Julio checking in from YouTube. What's up, Julio? All right, so listen, for the folks who have no idea at all what we're talking about, we've been talking about NFTs for damn near a year at this point, but NBA Top Shot over the last couple months have like just had all of us in a tizzy to the point where we spend way too much time over there, spend way too much money. I think yesterday I spent $1,000 yesterday. I'll put it out there. I don't care. And I spent something crazy. I don't even know. I didn't even calculate what I spent today, but I went crazy today. But here's the crazy part, though. Here's the crazy part. Yo, I see. Hold up, real quick, before I even say that. More folks checking in, but I want to get to this comment. Stephanie, what's going on? Checking in from YouTube. Shy, what's going on? Mark is in the building. What's up, Mark? I want to get to this comment here. He wants to know who got an extra Honda card, Street Fighter Life. He need the craft. So
I got one for you, brother. Let's talk.
No, that's not
see. Funny. So this what we gonna do, right? We got a community, so we gonna keep the community and trade with it.
Elia is a young lady.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I read that wrong.
She got that picture that make everything look petty. So
yeah, that's definitely a petty picture. Yo, every time she comments or says something, I'm like, first I would have to look like, what's she laughing at? Like, but it's anyway. But no, so Ilya, listen, we got a community, we gonna do that. Michelle is agreeing with me. So, like I said, for the folks who don't know what I'm talking about, let me share my screen real fast just to show NBA Top Shot. So we can see. As a matter of fact, though, is anything the site's still up? You just can't do anything, right?
Yeah. Like I'm really sitting here stressing about the fact that I'm about to double my money that I put in this morning. Like I'm really like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm only double off of this money I randomly put in this morning.
So it's insane, right? So anyway, here's NBA Top Shot. This is what we're talking about for the folks who have no idea. The way to think about this is digital trading cards. So it's like, we live in our second childhood, but the thing is, we came through this from an investment standpoint. We were trying to figure out ways to flip bread. And what's going on here is insane. So let me go to the marketplace. I see. High demand. I always start with the LeBron cards because when people don't believe the prices, I always go to LeBron. So what's the highest LeBron right now? 208,000. 208,000. But let me go to my own. I'm gonna go to my own collection real quick. You see right here, Eve Sweat. This is my own personal collection. Look, they just changed. They definitely changed it already. So my Anthony Davis just went to LE. I just bought this today. It wasn't LE. And I know Tyrone is happy to see this right here because Tyrone got the same card. So this is LE now, Tyrone. We in the bread. And also, look how many people took this off the market.
People looking for.
Huh?
I said, that play right there is gonna be what people looking for.
Bro, this right here is retirement for the folks. All right, let me give you guys an example, right? So you see this number right here. My card is number 1655. So if I go and see what's for sale, and I look in the 1600 series, mine is 1600, 1655. So let's go up here and see what it's going for. So here's the 1600 series. I got 840. You can't see it?
No, all I see is serial number, and then I don't see where it's showing the.
Oh, you can't see it. All right, so because you know why? Because it's a drop down. Let me I'll give you the numbers though. You guys can go check this if you're watching live. So in my serial number, the prices range from, because I know you can't see it because it's a drop down, but you can go check this to verify what I'm saying. 843, and the high is 2200. And that's right now. By tomorrow, it'll probably be double that. So this is the card we have, and you can see the lowest price is 589. But 589 is for a different number. It's for a higher number than mine. So, man, hey, Tyrone, we in the money right now, good brother.
Yeah, you already know, because I got mine for, I think, 100.
So now you see the rate of return.
Keep in mind that yours is, you do got a lower number than I do.
Because I also paid more than you did too.
I saw the moment. I was like, "Yo, let me get this."
Yo, also paid more. You acted faster, which was key, and that's key right there. Because we was talking about this like a month ago, and you acted faster. But I paid a lot more for mine. But still, don't matter though.
Packs. I was trying to get in the club, and they wasn't dropping no packs.
Has anyone been to cash out yet? Well, here's the thing though, Michelle. I'm glad you asked that question because I'm afraid to sell anything. I know some folks that tried to cash out couldn't get cash out, but I also know somebody who did cash out. What's happening is you have to be on a certain time before you're able to transact freely. They'll put your money in your account, and then once you pass, I think it's an 8 weeks period. Once you get past that 8 weeks, then you have the ability to transact how you want. So if you just signed up, you can't just flip real fast and get out of there. So that's kind of what's going on there. Chris is checking in. Chris, what's going on?
Yeah, what's going on?
I don't share crypto or NFTs. What's up, Patricia? Look, he said I can't keep up with y'all dudes. I'm still trying to gain exposure in the EV space, bro. That's 8 months ago, man. We move fast over here, bro. You gotta stay in tune, man. All of his cars are LE now. Let's go. So, Michelle, you was on that webinar a couple weeks ago, and now you done probably doubled or tripled your bread. It's worth 250K. Yes, sir.
Now I do want to hold on. Let's clarify that though. So it's worth 250K. But so far, unless I haven't seen one higher, the highest sale that's happened was a Zion that went for 105K.
Didn't LeBron have LeBron had a 51 that went for 50K, I think.
No, Zion went for 105K.
Oh, 100. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Excuse me, my bad. By the way, remember that Zion I showed you earlier today? I just got today.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's lit now. Jose, you said you got 3 of those. Look at Clip City. Oh, Clip City, is that your profile, Jose?
Yeah. Clip City profile on the jump. He got.
All right, let's go take a look at what I never even thought about multiples of the same thing though. Interesting.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah.
Jose on here trying to corner the market, like
he smartened up, opened the market up.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. So if I go to community, Clip City, is it one word?
Yeah, I think everything's one word.
Yeah, capital C, capital C.
All right, here we go. So, y'all see that?
Yeah, we can see it.
All right, so this is Jose's here.
Oh no! Oh, we just see you clicking his name. We can't.
Yeah, we can't see none of his stuff.
All right, let me stop sharing and try to reshare it again. That's the thing about sharing these Jones, man. So let me see if I can pull up Jose's joint now.
Top Shot also had another kind of exciting announcement that I think is going to help push the market as well.
So here's Jose. Jose's watching live. What's up, Jose? By the way, appreciate you tuning in. But here's his profile here. He got his showcase. Jose got his page looking beautiful, man. Jose, I gotta step my page up. Look at his presentation.
Yeah.
So he got stuff for sale on the market. Okay.
Yo, that game is Alexander. Yeah.
Let's see what he got here. Ooh.
At Vince's last shot.
Ooh. Holy smokes.
That might be Vince's last shot, that 3-pointer.
Hold up. Jose got a
I know that LeBron got some money too.
Yeah, yep. That's the last career shot.
Yo, number 90. He got a 906 too.
Damn. Ooh, he got under 1,000. He got under 1,000, and he got the collectible joint.
Wow.
I want
Series 1.
Yeah, I need to be him when I grow up. Damn.
Oh man,
beautiful.
Jose, you killing it out here, bro. That's amazing.
Yeah,
look at all the other stuff he got.
That joint wasn't going for like the fact that these things are going for so much so quickly. Because like I said, you know, when I got that LeBron, I got that like a week ago.
It's moving fast. Jose got a yo.
Man,
all right, Jose.
Listen, I bought a Durant 2 hours ago for 129, and it's worth. And the bottom price right now is 200. So I damn near doubled my money in like 2 hours.
That's crazy. Anyway,
it's crazy. Like where else can you get this much interest on?
I mean, you can get this in crypto, but you got to hold it for a minute.
But I'm saying this fast though. This fast.
I mean, you can get it in crypto. You can get it in the market. There's day traders that make,
Yeah, but you know what makes this addictive, right? For one, and I know I'm a hoops fan, so it's funny. We were having a conversation earlier, and somebody in one of the groups was like, "Yo," asking me about like a Blanka card for Street Fighter, And I'm like, yo, how many rebounds he get per night? Because I don't know. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't tell you, but man, look at this. So Antonio, who got down the other day, said he bought 3 cheap randoms and now they all LA.
Yeah.
I actually jumped in
yesterday when they had made that like initial announcement hinting towards they were going to do this. I was up at like 4 a.m. and I bought just 10 random low price CC cards. And then later that day, I was like, God, I should have bought 100. Like I was buying little $2-3 cards,
man.
And all of them have at least quadrupled in value right now.
So Money Mac, that's one part of it. Absolutely, scarcity. That's definitely one part of it. So Michelle says Pops kind of like probably give it a gift in the packs. When we having another pack drop though?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yo, we definitely got to put some respect on Jose's name. His portfolio looked crazy. I didn't even go to all his stuff.
Yeah.
And the crazy thing about this being on a blockchain, I can actually pull it up and look at his transactions, and they got things now to estimate the value of your portfolio.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out to Tanisha.
Yo, but did y'all peep the other announcement that they made today?
What's the other announcement?
They were going to start letting fans vote on which moments to make top shots. So now you have even more engagement from the fan base. So now it's going to be constantly in their mind. It's going to become a thing like the Sports Center top 10 was. Like,
well, they already have a hashtag that I saw trending, which was like hashtag top shot this moment or something like that.
Yeah, exactly.
I've seen that already, but now it's gonna get even worse.
Yeah.
Shout out to Dev, who's also needs to go to rehab. He said, y'all got any of them packs on y'all? He on packs now.
Yo, if y'all got packs, I need one. I ain't getting none. So
hold up. Robot on Discord said a drop is happening. Can we get a confirmation of that?
Whoa, yeah. Need that.
Yeah.
Somebody check Discord. Somebody check Discord for it.
If anybody got any unopened packs though, I'll double you up for whatever you pay for. I'll double you up.
Here you go. You try to cut deals.
Hey, listen, I ain't getting no packs. So, you know what I mean? I got left standing in line for the packs. So I need one of them.
I ain't trying to be smart, but if anybody got any unopened packs, I'll give you 4 times what you paid for it.
Yo,
I'm hating, B.
Yeah.
I'm hating right now, yo.
Don't be that guy, Jim.
Shout out to Dev though. Yo, because Dev laughed at me at first when I told him about this, and he got a pack, and his pack was better than anything I've ever got. Like he got the great. Yo, his pack had he had a Luka. Who else he had? Hank, yeah, somebody.
He had a Luka. He had a Giannis. He had a crazy number Tyler Hero. He had like a 300 Tyler Hero.
Damn.
He had Devin Bacon, and there was one other person that was actually good. I know Devin Bacon was the only person that was whack, but it was Luka, Giannis, Tyler Hero, and one other good one.
Well, hold on though, Michelle. I think that you vote on which play happens in the game gets to go onto a card.
Yeah, but then if a lot of people, we all vote on what's going, like let's say 100 of us just.
Yeah, but we don't have the card yet. The card's not made.
Yeah, they talking about.
Oh yeah.
So it's like during the games, you see a play and say, "Yo, make this a card."
Yo, but this is we still real early in this. That's number one. But also when they drop them UFC drops, and you can watch your boy Conor McGregor get knocked out over and over and over again. What was the dude? Kobe Covington when he got knocked out by Kamara Usman?
Yeah.
Yo, but what's crazy about that's gonna be nuts. But what I was thinking about, I told Dev and Hank this earlier, I was like, yo, they already got like a KG moment up there, which is like a historic classic moment, whatever they call it.
Yeah.
What happens when they drop a Kobe moment?
Ooh.
It's gonna crash. It's like gonna crash.
Yeah.
What happens when they drop a Kobe moment? What's that number gonna go to?
We gonna see them. We gonna see them actually hitting them 250s.
Yeah, I need to find a sucker. All right, so Patricia got one. Nairobi, what's up? What's up? Good evening, Nairobi. How are you?
Hey.
Money Map, we trying to figure that out now. We need somebody to figure out whether it's really a drop.
Yeah.
Somebody said tonight. Can we confirm that tonight?
Yeah, somebody go confirm that. Somebody know. Go to the Discord and find out whether that's confirmed. I know one of y'all got a crazy echo. I hope that's not me. Anyway, yeah. So for the folks that don't know, man, you definitely got to get in the game, find out what's going on with NBA Top Shot. The reason I say that is because, let me see something real quick, Hank. Let me see if I mute you, whether that stops. So, yeah, I think it is Hank. Yeah, Hank, if you got some earbuds or whatever, put them on. It is you. But no, you got to really pay attention to what's going on in the NFT space. Because the money that's being made here, and I know I've been going on and on about this, but y'all like, yo, every Friday I come here, you keep talking about NFT, but it's for a reason. And it's not just the NBA. Think about this. Think about what happens when the Kobe comes. Think about what happens when Disney gets in here and they bring all the Marvel characters. What's going to happen then? Right? And this is even different than having the physical card, because with this, because of the blockchain. And if you understand blockchain, you can even this whole NBA Top Shot even makes more sense to you, right? So the good thing they did with this, and I know that Hank, you'll agree with this, is that the average person can go on NBA Top Shot and get in the game. Like, you don't need to have crypto. You don't need anything. You can use your credit card. Is very simple. Most people follow sports, but the thing about understanding the blockchain is you can go on the blockchain. I think it's the Flow blockchain, Tyrone. Is that correct? Is it Flow?
Yeah, it's the Flow blockchain.
It's the Flow blockchain. You can see all the transactions and you can see who has what. So you can't really lie. And that was the point that I was talking to Corey earlier. He brought that up. He said, this is why they'll be afraid to put the stock market on the blockchain. Because if you put the stock market on the blockchain, everything is in the public space. So you can see who paid for what. You know what I mean? So that's a whole different dynamic to this NBA Top Shots. But it's like, yo, we definitely need rehab, man.
But you know what? That's a good point, because I wanted to also speak on the fact that I appreciate what NBA Top Shots is doing with, kind of restricting the card drops where people can only get one and then you have to get back in line, because that keeps them bots from taking everything, and I think that keeps it fun, that keeps it fresh, it keeps people really wanting to be involved because you actually have a chance. It's not like a PlayStation 5 where them joints drop and gone.
Yo, Hypernova. I blame Hypernova, yo.
And I think part of it also is that it makes sense for the NBA to make this work, because this is just a whole new stream of revenue that they stumbled upon.
They can't get, because the fans not coming to the stadiums, and so now this just opens up a whole different new revenue stream. And as they build it out, it's going to be super crazy, right? Like that, like when you were saying earlier, Tyrone, about how this is just the beginning. This is like they didn't even open it up worldwide yet.
It's in beta.
But think about
it's in beta.
But think about this, like even what is it today? That's the Street Fighter cards dropped yesterday, and if they sold out all their packs, they made $2.5 million in a day.
Yeah. Here's what's crazy, right? Think about how big the NBA is in China, as 45 would say. Like, think about how big it is there. What happens when it opens up there?
Oh man.
And like you said, not only that, it's 76 years of history that they have only done 1 year. 1 year. And it's crazy. Like, what was the number yesterday? It was like 100 million in sales,
it was something
in activity across the marketplace. And the NBA gets 5% of every transaction period. Like,
that's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's about to get.
All right, so I'm gonna show you this real fast. I'm gonna share this with you guys real fast. Go ahead, we can go ahead, Tyrone. I'm just gonna share this real fast.
Yeah, one of the things that they mentioned in their press release that they put out was the fact that if a person gets traded mid-season, then they cut off that moment and it's capped off at wherever they was at minted. So let's say it was halfway through the mint. Let's say somebody, they had a mint that was going to be 15,000, they 7,500 in, and the dude gets traded, then they cap it off right there.
I didn't even know that. Yo, what's crazy is I'm on it today. So now I tell you, this joint be having me watching games like I'm a scout. I'm like, all right, who's picking up and is about to turn the corner and become a good player, right? I was sitting there today. I'm like, I'm about to get Bradley Beal because he lead the league in scoring, and eventually he's gonna ask for a trade, and then we get traded to a good team. So I'm sitting over there like, this is what's going through my mind. I'm like trying to find ways to quantify and like do analysis on sports cards. Like, it's insane. Yeah, let me show you.
Go ahead.
Share this with y'all real fast. This is to your point right here, Hank. If you look at the and for the folks watching at home, this is a cryptoslam.io. this tells you about like the money that's flooding into the NFT space. So NBA Top Shot is number one by far. So over the last, 24 hours, there's been $14 million in sales over the last 24 hours. Now check the last
and that's
30.
Without a drop. There was no drop in
There
the
was
last
no
24
drop.
hours.
Now look at this. Look at the last 30 days. So when I'm on this thing screaming about NFTs and about the money being made, I'm not making this up, right? I want you guys to see this. $93 million have flown into this space in the last 30 days. That's $93 million. Now, over the last 7 days, 40 million. So it's picking up. It's going insane. In the last 24 hours, 14 million. And the funny thing is, this is not the only thing in the NFT space. Look at number 2, CryptoPunks, right? They got 3,799,000. But look at this. The highest sale over the last 24 hours. One of these CryptoPunk NFTs just sold for 800 ETH. That's $1.5 million. And look at Street Fighter. Street Fighter over the last 24 hours made $103,000. But let's see 30 days period. What's over the last 30 days, it made about 203,000. Now they just had their first, that was like, really brand new. But I wanted to share that because if you look at what's going on with Top Shot, it's crazy. Number one in the market by far. But the money coming into this space is really what's making me I keep looking like, all right, so I showed Hank a guy's portfolio today. First of all, I just want you to know right now, if you're still watching, Jose, that I'm definitely going to see everything you got because your portfolio is crazy, bro. But I looked at another boy's for a portfolio today. He had like $8 million. And literally, it was just like a early mover advantage. He was buying stuff when they was on Series 1. So that's why I want people to be paying attention because now, but the thing is, the cat is kind of getting out of the bag, and it's not just us. You see celebrities, or you see celebrities start talking about stuff. I'm like, it frustrated me because I'm like, yo, I want to grab up a bunch more because I knew this was going to happen.
Yep.
Go ahead, Corey. What you guys say, Corey? Because you on mute.
No, I was saying that, like, that early movers advantage is over, man. You had Mark Cuban, and then you had
Gary
V, and then they was on EYL talking about it. Like, so you just put millions of eyes on that John in like 3 days, which is good for us. Earlier movers, like that's why they had to move today to do it. Like literally, while I was on the site, it was crashing while I was trying to buy stuff. Because I tried to buy an Embiid, and they was like, "No, dog, you can't buy that Embiid right now because we changing the site over, and we think you're frauding because you just bought like 7 of these Jones." And I was like, "No, this is really me. I'm just trying to buy everything I can get right now." And they make you separate each transaction because I was trying to like buy them all together, and they was like, "No, you got to separate each transaction." And so my bank was like, "Yo, is this really you?" So I had to stop buying, call the bank, like, "Yo, yeah, it's really me." And then I tried to re-in. So the thing I did though is I bought a Durant John. Like I said, I bought the John. I think it was 129 something or 139 maybe, and then. When I looked at the site right before we came on, the lowest bid was 219 or no, it was 192. So basically the difference between 139 and 192 was like 30%, 40%, like 5 minutes. You know what I mean? Like
no, I mean that announcement changes everything. Dwight says that Corey hit it on the head. COVID is changing the business model. So Michelle says no more portfolios and binders, raggedy edges, faded cards, none of that foolishness.
Nope.
No. It's funny you say that, Michelle, because I heard someone else say that. It was like that's the reason they love this. Because if you guys have ever been into cards as a kid, you know how crazy that is, bro. Like, yo, Dev even Dev somehow still to this day has his card collection. I have no idea how, but
yeah, I still got mine.
I still got mine. And that's
I'm about to start moving some of them joints though.
Yo, I have no. Yeah, you better start moving them now. I have no idea what mine is.
That's how the economy is. My cousin told me that a dude he used to work with, he quit because he made $50,000 this year just selling cards. Yeah, the kids go into the store, get the parents to give him some money, go into the store, they buy a pack for 20, he'll give him 40, and he's opening them joints on Instagram, and right there.
Wow. Listen, man, I have no idea where all my old cards at. I mean, it's probably with a young lady whose house. No, I'm gonna leave that alone. Leave that story alone. But listen, Antonio says he's waiting for some AI cards. That's another one.
Yeah.
When they put them Bubba Chuck cards out there, it's gonna go insane.
Them
Insane.
Jordans.
Jordan moments. Yeah, word.
There you go.
Half of that $100 million.
Corey, I was feeling you. My bank stopped my joints too. They're like, yo, bro, you really spending this on gifts? Like, come on, man. Like, we need you to confirm this is you buying all this.
Yo, my bank was like, my bank just straight flat out called me, cut my card off, called me like, I was like, yeah, it's me. They was like, it's you. Yes. Like, what do I need to do? What button I need to push? Get out my way so I can go ahead and go back.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, you know what I did to try to avoid that? Every time I made a purchase, I would put $20 on my card, so that way it's like, look, I'm paying it off, so y'all know it's me. Like, you seeing this money coming back in. But let me be ignorant for a little bit.
Yo, Antonio says when the Jordan card comes out, it's gonna make owning Bitcoin look like owning pennies. Yo, that Jordan card, the first Jordan card come out, the one that has number 1 or the one that has 2, 3.
Woo.
Yeah, number 1 and number 23 is gonna get 45.
It's gonna be, it's gonna be insane.
23 and 45 is gonna be nuts.
Yep.
Look at this. I still have cards. What's gonna happen with folks who have a legacy card and the physical card? I got 94 and 95 flares. All right, so we got some news coming in. Apple is thinking about buying BTC with cash reserves on hand. Will be using Pancake Swap Exchange to utilize the trade. I don't know. Somebody sound like somebody pumping Pancake, but maybe it is though. Pancake is pumping right now. I wonder what was Pancake doing? Anybody follow that exchange? Yo, we were just talking about that. How owning the actual exchange coins is like the move. This past week, we saw what happened with Voyager. We saw what happened with Binance Coin. Also, CRO Crypto.com. That coin went bananas.
Yo, that joint like 1,600%. Like
yo, within the week, and I'm sitting on a ton of CRO just because to get that J Green card, I had to like get a bunch of stake it. But Alfie says whole site is down right now at the announcement. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Jimmy, you want to show some of the tools that we've been using to like see the value?
I definitely am. There's a couple things I want to show. Let's get through these comments. So, Tanisha, yes, I was drawn, right? So I wasn't waiting for packs. I went to other sellers on the marketplace and acted a damn fool. I was trying to stop myself, but the problem is I'm talking to these gentlemen all day, and you know what I mean? And I'm in their inbox and we having these conversations, and they like egging me on, and I'm egging them on. So none of us are helping each other. All we doing?
Hey, but that's the thing about it. It's really clout chasing. Let's just be honest real quick. It's clout chasing. Remember, I sent you to Zion like,
yeah. He sent me this Zion laughing. I'm like, oh, watch this. I'm gonna go get you.
You had a low number and everything. I wanted to put my shit away.
So it's like when you little kids and you bring your card collection to the school, and then somebody else bring their joint. You like, oh shit, he got one I ain't got. I'm going home right now today, and I'm gonna go grab packs till I get that card. He can't have the card that I don't got.
You gotta go home and take your ball away from everybody.
That's why I cop from different accounts every time. Look, he already got it figured out. Tell you, boy, we out here trying to figure out how to do analysis, trick the system already.
Dev had a good point too earlier. He was like, "Yo, we addicted to something, but at least it's investing, and at least it's buying things that are appreciating value. Like we could have been buying."
That's how I justify it. Yeah, I know it's thick. That actually helps me justify it. Yeah. So Michelle said, "What's the next thing we could jump into?" I mean, that depends, bro. Like, we always watching for the next thing. So just, stay in tune with us, because the thing about crypto, because like, let's not forget, this is non-fungible token. This is part of the cryptocurrency, ecosystem. It's changing constantly. It's constantly changing and is always evolving. So there's always something. I'm watching what's going on with Theta right now. So for those who don't know what that is, Theta Coin, and this is not investment advice. I'm just watching it. It's similar to like a YouTube, but they have coins or what have you that you can give to the content creator. So it's like something built on a blockchain. It's a decentralized video system. So that's what I'm watching right now, but not saying that anything will happen there, but I'm always on the lookout for whatever's going to happen. Right. So, and
Tezos
you just never know. Huh?
Tezos is popping right now. The Tezos, where I think they were just selling colors. Like people was just buying colors.
Literal colors on the
Shout out
bottom.
to Tezos. I own a ton of Tezos. They used to call me Jeff Tezos. So Money Mac says nice, good idea. So basketball and Marvel cards. Yo, Mache, that's what I'm talking. When Marvel does this, what NBA Top Shot is doing, and when the NFL does this,
Yeah, NFL.
from what I understand, the problem with the NFL is
They
the
don't want to
union.
pay the players. Yeah, they don't want to pay the players.
Yeah, they're not trying to pay the players. So they're like debating on that because also the thing about NFTs is residual income. So what happens is anytime one of these things sell, there's a small piece that goes back to the originator. So what happens with the NBA is it goes back to the league who has a deal with their players. So that's why you see players actually pushing them too.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, let's go.
It's like a built-in machine to market this thing.
Yeah. And the thing about the NBA, as opposed to like those, there's football highlights, but you don't get as many highlights in a game as you do like in an NBA game. And there's less players on. It just looks, NBA highlights just look prettier. You know what I mean? And like you said, that agreement that they have with the players is simple. It's 50-50. They do a 50-50 split. It's nothing to really argue over on it.
Anybody can help Tanisha out with like the regular cards where you go to find prices and stuff. I'm so far out of that game. I wouldn't know. And I'm pretty sure at this point it's online. So
yeah, I honestly would check on eBay, to be honest with you, just to kind of see if you can find anything that matches. But I'm pretty sure that there's a website that you can look on. I'll Google it and get back with you.
Y'all gonna cop that Bill Russell card when it drop?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm copying. Man, listen, no, I ain't gonna lie. I'm probably gonna save it for the Kobe and the
Dog. I'm already priced out of the Kobe card. They ain't even come out yet.
Yeah.
when they drop that highlight when Kobe throws the oop to Shaq against Portland,
I gotta get that. I gotta get that.
Yeah, it's gonna cost you your house.
Yeah, I'm about to say you gonna mortgage your crib.
I know, Angela, this is supposed to be an intervention, yo, but we can't stop, yo. We can't stop, Angela. We just can't. I know it's not an intervention. It's supposed to be an intervention, but you know, we trying to make sure everybody is abreast of what's going on. We need a damn bot, is what she says.
We increasing in value though. Like that's not. I mean, because the same $10 that I might spend on a pack of cards, my kids will blow that on Robux. So
yeah. He said a good thing about digital, can't nobody jump you in the schoolyard for your card. All right, Jose with another great point, right? Because Hank brought this up earlier. He talked about Hank, you had a hot take about Pokemon that is like how successful it is.
Yeah, so I mean, I remember Pokemon coming out when I was in middle school, like on the Game Boy or whatever. It was a game in middle school, and honestly, they have never fallen off since then. There's generations within my family of people that enjoy Pokemon. My son loves Pokemon the same way I liked it when I was in middle school. So I feel like as far as a brand, it's going to be crazy when they go to the digital space, because they've had the cards, the movies, the TV shows, and they have that built-in brand in there. Like I would say they're the most successful animated brand that I can think of as far as sustained success.
I'm gonna tell you, the very most popular card game in the world is a game similar to that, but it's called Magic the Gathering.
I remember. Oh, come on! I know Magic.
But what I'm saying is that the model was built off of that. So the Pokemon had the cartoon first, but Magic the Gathering had the game.
Yeah.
And so what was going on in that space is going to be absolutely nutcase.
So if they drop today, who are people more anxious for? Pokemon or Magic the Gathering?
I would think Pokemon because of the kids. Yeah. But I think the adults would actually want the Magic the Gathering cards more, because the rare Magic the Gathering cards, the boy just bought what's the boy, the white boy that think he black, the rapper. He just bought a Pokemon card for $1.5 million. I
don't know who you're talking about.
All of them.
Logic. He just bought it.
Yo, Logic black? Like Logic is mixed stuff.
He's that black.
Every song he makes is about him being mixed, so I definitely know he's mixed. But anyway, I get your point. Yeah, but listen though, Jose says when Pokemon does the Street Fighter method of combining cards, it's a wrap. Go level up your Pokemon. Yeah. Because that's the thing too. The way Street Fighter does those merges. Anybody watch? I know some people watching have got those Street Fighter cards. Did anybody do any merges yet? Did you merge anything, Hank?
No, I wanted to keep mine because I figured once they start merging them, and because when you merge, it burns the number. So, I figure people will eventually need some of those basic ones to merge. And I just got the Street Fighter stuff. I didn't really do my research to really understand the Street Fighter yet.
Got you. I definitely got to do some more research too. NFL still has a data industry implementation. Owners are not about to let the players level up. That's sad though, because they're sitting on money with that.
Yeah.
So he says, I have a Kevin Durant 2007 Topps rookie card for $439 on eBay for months. Hasn't sold yet. My 7500 LE Durant hit almost 700 last night. Yo, Trevor, thanks for sharing that. But that's showing you where everything is moving. So, like you said, if anybody got them physical cards, yo, you better dump them because people are, doubling up on them.
If y'all haven't started merging your Street Fighter joints yet, like there's a chance that you get a 1%. Was it legendary or something like that? Like, makes a big difference.
Yeah, how about that? Sandcoin is used to purchase and create digital assets. Have you heard any news on this? Yeah, so I own a couple pieces of land on Sandbox. I'll share it with y'all if you don't mind. But I definitely own a couple pieces on Sandbox. But here's the craziest part, right? So I bought a bunch of sand to go to that let me see, OpenSea. Where's my account here? Eve Sweat on OpenSea. So I bought a bunch of sand to buy some land, but sand ran so crazy that I probably would have been better off holding the actual crypto because the price of sand went crazy. I think when I bought the sand, it was something like 6 cents or something. I had it for a while. Yo, sand is like, last time I checked, it was like 30 cents. But anyway, let me share this real quick to show what he's talking about. So here's my my OpenSea. Y'all see my blue check on OpenSea. But just want to point that out real quick. But anyway, so yeah, I definitely got the Turkey Pranksy. But where is it at? Here it is. So here's some of my land here. So these are a couple pieces of land I have from the Sandbox. And but the thing is, sand went so crazy, it might be worth. I gotta check though, because I haven't even tried to check and see what the value of the land is. I'm just sitting on it at this point. So, but I definitely am familiar with Sandbox and bought the sand. So that's that. But I'm all into it. Listen, I told you I've been going crazy with NFTs for a minute now. Think if you could buy that Odell catch.
Yeah.
Oh, the one against Dallas.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Or the beast mode run. The
one in the playoff
game.
Think about that one.
Ooh.
Yeah, man. NFL said, listen, they got some play. That's the thing. You said that the highlights aren't as plentiful, but when they have highlights and all the hits too, like just hits.
Yeah. Especially the old ones, not so much the new ones.
Yeah, they're not trying to break bread though, because the NFL got 75 years worth of highlights and they want to capitalize on it, like with NFL films and all that. But they don't. If they put it on the blockchain and sell it and then put the player's name on it, they gotta pay them because they can't hide none of the transactions. They can't hide the transactions.
You can't hide it. You can't hide it, right? So Tanisha says, "Them Street Fighter cards send me back in my." I think that's part of it too, Tanisha. Like the whole thing of first of all, everybody loves collecting stuff. It's one of the reasons, right, that I've always bought precious metals and I continue to buy precious metals. In fact, I'm gonna do this live tonight. I got a precious metals John in the mail today. I'm gonna open this while we're on air. But with that being said, though, I think that is part of it, Tanisha. So Malik said he's waiting for the Disney ones.
Yeah,
that's gonna be nuts. Think about the brands that Disney has between Star Wars, Marvel, Mickey Mouse and stuff, like all those things.
Ooh. Yeah, I agree. I agree with the whole childhood thing too, because I mean that is the feeling that I have looking at these and enjoying these. Like, I mean, like you said, look, I collected Magic cards. I remember I was flipping Pogs back in the day. I was, basketball, football, baseball, like all that. And it's just now, I feel like they found a sweet spot because we're like the generation we're technical enough to like understand this. Yep. We still remember the feeling of like collecting. And like we're at the point now where we got some disposable cash that it's not crazy to spend what we spent today, because we're not selling our house to get it yet.
Yo, and that's the crazy part. But yo, you definitely hit that. That's it. What you just said is everything, because this is for our generation. This is everything. We, like you said, we're technical enough to understand how to do it. Have the disposable income, but also when you see the values increase, yo, that dopamine gonna hit. Like, listen, bro, I've made the amount of money that's like turned over within the NFT space for me is insane. Like, is beating other investments. It just is. When we gonna learn how to program so we can make our own NFTs? Great point. Now,
I'm starting this weekend, fam.
you see, starting this weekend.
Yeah.
Michelle, here's the thing about that though. I've seen some NFTs sell, bro, that I know I can make, and I've gotten offers on memes that I've made on the blockchain. It's not even that difficult to put something up. It's about like marketing and scarcity, as someone else said. So he's the white part. I think he's black. It's grayed out for me. I'm not sure what you didn't see, Alessia. Let me know what it was that I put up that you didn't see. I apologize if that was it. So Vega
fellas,
merged with two other.
it looks like you can go back to the marketplace now too. Looks like marketplace back open.
Anybody find out about the drop though?
I ain't see nothing.
Okay.
Their channel that's dedicated to drops is not active yet.
Okay, got you. So Vega merged with two others. Vega merged and two others. So you actually did the merge. So when you merged it, like, did it like give you a better card? Like, what did it do when you merged it?
It'll give you a better it'll give you a better card, but you still run a risk of getting just like a base card, just a level 1 card. You start off so what, like one of mine's I think is up to level 3 because they gave me so many of that card. But if you get a base card, it's just like a leveled up regular card. But they got different versions. They got ones that are like shiny. They got ones that are battle cards, and they'll have like little animations in the background.
Okay. So Crystal, to answer your question, mine isn't the this isn't from the mint. This is something else I had ordered, and then finally I actually ordered this a while ago. And because of the Reddit, here's how crazy it is. All that Reddit stuff slowed up my package. That's how crazy it is because the dealer I got it from was like overwhelmed with the demand. But so this isn't but I do see that some folks, because I know somebody in the group said they got their proof coins already. Maybe they paid for the expedited shipping, which I didn't. Dev asked about them garbage pail kids. Anybody get a garbage pail kids? I know they were on the Wax blockchain with Street Fighter. Laugh out louder yet. I know you ain't talking. Crystal was trying to sell one of her kids to get some NFTs earlier. So we are. So Crystal, you need to be on here with us, Crystal, because you got it going on, so we know what it is. See, that's I think Shy said they paid for the expedited shipping, so I didn't do that either. Let's see. This isn't for kids; they're targeting us, and it's working.
We are to pray for sure.
Okay, so you tried to go right to Rarible. I didn't do anything through Rarible, but I know that some people have. I mean, Disney Revenue will go insane when they put out Star Wars and Marvel NFTs. Another great point. That's one of Corey's favorite companies to trade options on.
Yep. If I see that story, I'm going. Matter of fact, I'm about to go put in some what's the names right now.
Some leaps.
Yep.
I knew he's going to say that.
Yep.
OpenSea ain't cheap. We need to talk about this to make sure I'm doing something wrong. I'm not doing something wrong. All right, we can talk about it.
Yeah, it's definitely not cheap.
Yeah.
But that's part of the reason why I made mention of the
they posted in the co-ed chat. They got a new pack up, but no info on a date. So now they're just teasing us now. They're gonna show a pack and not give you a date or a time. They just being smart now. Now they
Hey, all my cards is limited edition now.
That's what Jose said. Jose said new cards went LE now. Everything is LE. Oh man.
Yeah, everything that's already been dropped is LE at this point.
Oh, that's gangster.
Oh man, mine is grayed out. You talking about your cards? Like I think the site is down or something. All right, real quick. If
this is grayed out, if she's talking about the Street Fighter joints, if it's grayed out, that means you can't upgrade it. Like that, you don't have enough cards to upgrade it.
All right, so here's what I want to do. Here's what I want to do real fast, right? So I'm glad I got you on because you already been through this. I really have no idea in terms of this Street Fighter stuff, but Tyrone, you've been through this already. So I want you to walk me through this. We're gonna do this live on air, which means if it messes up, you can't blame us because we're trying to do this live on air. All right. So the first thing
we're doing a pack opening I'm
gonna do a pack opening right now. Look, I'm gonna do a pack opening right now, live on air. Right. So I'm going to boom. Right. So I go to where it says open. Right.
Yeah.
Is that how you do it, Tyrone?
Wait, no. So you have to. You're opening your cards right now. You haven't opened them.
I'm stupid. So instead of buying 1 pack, I bought like 6 packs total. But
yeah.
So I did open 1 pack. I want to open one right now.
Yeah, let's open one of them real quick. Go to open.
All right, so I'm going to open.
All right,
so
you're gonna pick
I got
which part?
Standard and Ultimate. All right, can y'all see that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so cool. All right, so now I'm gonna open 4. So I got 2 left on each one. So 4977.
Hit that.
Open this one up.
Oh damn.
Oh, that's nice. See, I couldn't even see all that because when I was doing it, it was the site was messing up.
Open Street Fighter packs. You receive the following cards. It may take a few minutes for newly cards to show up in your inventory, but nothing's happening.
That's another thing for anybody that is doing these Street Fighter cards. If you are crafting your cards, make sure you refresh a couple times because I damn sure got 2 level 1 E Hondas when I ain't need that. I was trying to get level 2, level 3.
So should I refresh this page here or just go to my wallet?
I would go to inventory.
All right, so
either you can go to inventory or you can hit craft, or just hit craft and see if anything shows up.
All right, let me see. Craft. So this is all right.
So those are your cards right there.
These are my cards right here. I guess the only thing about this is I have no idea when because I already opened up 1 pack. So
But yeah, so everything that's grayed out means that you don't have anything to craft anything with them.
Okay.
So you can build all those other ones.
So I can build all the other ones. Oh, got you.
Level them up at least 1 time.
Got you. Okay.
Oh, so you got Ryu?
Listen, man, I'm out here. Bro.
So you just click on a card that you want to upgrade.
All right, so here's something else I'm gonna do real fast. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna show you my wallet, right? I'm gonna see. All right, let me share my wallet too. I'm gonna see if it shows up in the wallet. If I go right to the actual wallet.
It should, because the websites are linked.
All right, cool. So
it's kind of like if anybody's familiar with using a Trust Wallet on Uniswap, it's kind of similar to that.
I love Trust Wallet. I hate Uniswap, but that's either here nor there. But here we go. So here's the NFT inventory right here. Crazy part about this is I was trying to be slick. See, I told you I'm in this space trying to figure things out. So if you look at my wallet and you see over here my current wax balance, I went I went to KuCoin. I bought some wax and I came into the marketplace before they even started their first drops, and I was buying stuff mad early. So I got that Chun-Li. I got a real low number Chun-Li. But I want to see if they added my other stuff. So I should have multiple pages at this point. Let me see if I refresh it.
I don't think it shows up like that for whatever reason.
Okay.
Because
here we go. Now I got new stuff.
Yeah, that's new.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're cooking now. This is a little different. See, that's what I mean. But Top Shot is easier to value. It's easier to do all these things here.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find my Chun-Li card, though. I'm looking for the Chun-Li card so I can show you the number I got on it.
At least with the Top Shot, like I know what a rookie. I'm like, okay, that rookie has potential.
I don't see the rest of my cards. I'm missing cards. I saw it in the.
It's not going to show all of them. It only shows you like a snapshot, I think. But go to click on that drop down, and then it should give you an option to look at your oldest, or you can look at it by lowest number.
Got you. Okay. All right. Got you. Their site is like moving super slow. Here we go. Why my she gotta be in this weird pose though? But anyway.
I think they can look like a stripper. Like
So like I said, I still got a couple packs I ain't open yet. I'm about to open one of these ultimate packs live on air. So for the folks who watching, you seeing me open some live Street Fighter packs, but that's the Chun-Li I was talking about. So I got a 3717 out of 16,710. So I got a good number on the Chun-Li.
Wait till you start merging some cards. Wait till you see how them numbers go down.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna definitely do that. All right. So with that being said, let's open the ultimate pack right here live on air. And we're doing it live on air for a couple of reasons, because I want to show folks how it looks, and also so Tyrone could walk me through it. So let's do another one. I'm gonna do an ultimate pack this time.
So Tyrone, you're pro crafting then. You think that people should go ahead and craft?
Yeah, just because from what I can tell, that their card numbers are unlimited. So it's just really like when you start crafting them, that's when you get down to the numbers. Like for example, let me see. You take a look at mine real quick. So I have some that I crafted today. One of my dudes is number 347 out of 366.
Okay.
Okay.
So here we go. So I'm about to do I'm about to open the ultimate pack. I still got 2 left. So I'm gonna do this one. Now let me ask you this question. I got 3. I opened up one of each, and now I'm opening up another one. Open up, one of each here on the show. The other ones I was just gonna leave closed. You think there's a value in that? I know that you said earlier you didn't think it was a value in leaving it closed. Like, you still got that opinion?
Yeah, I don't foresee that there's going to be a value in leaving them closed for right now. I think down the line, yeah. Like if you were to hold it and let's say like 2 years down the line, this is really popping off. Like, yeah, people are always going to want packs. Like that's actually, I've seen people on YouTube. My kids have watched like people opening Pokemon card packs that they've paid well above, the retail value for, just because they have the chance to get a rare card. So.
Okay. All right. So let's do this one right here. We're gonna open up this ultimate pack right here. Let's see if it acts right. Yeah, this joint trash site is trash. Where the presentation at?
Yeah.
This is supposed to be an ultimate pack. This what I get for ultimate? All right.
Yeah,
so you said
mine was the same.
You said craft.
Craft, yeah. It should show you.
Let me see. They straight calling them recipes. Sound crazy.
Well, you gonna cook up something? In the kitchen cooking, baby, is they trying to get you on here.
Yeah, man. So I still can't merge nothing with that Chun-Li. But hold on though, this thing is taking way too long. Log in. I ain't doing too much now. Let's see. Let me see if I can go back to the actual wallet.
It'll automatically put you back in. It should put you back in automatically.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can go right to the wallet this time and see if they show up in the wallet.
I don't think it is. Like I said, I think they only show but so many cards.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do newest then, because that would be like.
Isn't there's an inventory right on the Street Fighter site? That should
show
you
there's you mean like a market like type thing?
But I think
no. There's at the bottom it says inventory. That's where you can see all your cards.
But even I think when you hit inventory, I think it sends you back to wax.
Oh, okay.
All right, here we go. So this is what I just opened. This is the newest ones. All right.
Oh, so you got mad Akumas, yo.
Mm-hmm. I haven't seen an M Bison yet. Have y'all seen one?
I got a Bison.
You got one? Okay.
Y'all trying to do a trade or something? Y'all trying to trade live on air or something? I definitely got mad Akumas.
All them Akumas, like, yo, you could do something with that.
Transferable, burnable, ID, build.
This conversation is so funny.
Yeah,
right. The conversation we having is definitely insane. Be like, yo, I can't believe we having this conversation.
It's the nerdiest conversation.
Yo, grown ass man, yo. Hold up though. I'm gonna try to let's try to put one together right here. I want to show it for the folks watching. Let's see if I can merge one right here, so I could do that back on the Street Fighter site, right? Let's see.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try to do that now.
Just
let me go back on that site.
Just we an hour in.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna be very fast, good brother.
No, I just wanted to let you know where we was with time. You know what I mean?
Got you. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna try to do one right on air. So, you said what's the one you said had a lot of?
Akuma.
All right, so let's do something with this Akuma.
There you go, right there.
There you go. You pass.
All right, here we go. All right, Akuma. So you hit the Akuma.
Yeah, scroll up a little bit.
All right.
All right, go to click on select an asset up top on the top one.
Top one, okay.
So you pick another.
No, you can't see that, can you?
Yeah, they won't show the drop down menu.
Ah, okay.
So just pick
any of them.
the higher ones first. I started off with the higher ones first.
So I'll tell you what it says. It has a bunch of high ones. It has literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 high ones, and then 2 mint.
I would go for one of the higher ones.
All right, so I picked the high one, and now what's the next move?
And then you, on that drop down, you pick another one.
Okay, pick the 2, another high one, and then craft.
Yep, you hit craft, and then you before you hit it, see how that there's a different chances for different ones.
Okay.
There's a 45% chance that you'll get a base card, which is like basically regular, but then you see the weld and the action joint, 5% chance. And then if you get an action, then it's more valuable than the other versions.
Interesting. So what I get? Well,
that's the second highest.
Oh, we lit then. Let's go.
So
I have no idea what none of that means, but it sounds good.
Right.
Now scroll down a little bit.
You said scroll down? Okay, hold on.
Yeah, just a little bit. So at this point, you have an option. You can look at it in your wallet, or you can continue crafting.
But the only thing I can get is one above it, right?
Yeah, you can move above it, which will give it the power. It'll go from 1 to 2.
But my question is this though: is it a chance that I try to merge again and I get lower?
No. It's basically like once you're there, that's what the different recipes are for. Is if you have this card and this card, then this will make this card.
All right, so I'll do some of that later. Now, my only question I have for you now is, how the hell did you figure all that out already?
Because I got 4 kids, man.
Oh, okay. There you go.
No, I be on all this stuff. I'm tech support for a whole household of people during this pandemic.
There you go.
And there you go. Questions.
All right, so we're gonna move on to something else in a second, but I'm gonna catch up with the folks in here. Where we at? Right, mine is grayed out. Let's see. Adrian says, "I will lock on these." Oh yeah, Star Wars. Niece and nephew for Star Wars. I can't pull this up now, but looks like Rich must have copped something new from top. Shout out to Rich, another addict who should be in here with us.
Yeah, you should be here, Rich. What you doing?
You know what I'm saying? Should I open up the other pack to see if I can?
Yeah, I mean that's the only way you're gonna be able to do it unless you buy the card individually off of their website.
Crystal, I be drawn, but it's really so I can show. It's like so I can show folks, right? So that was that's my way. At least that's how I justify it. But I definitely be drawing. Yeah, Ryu. Yo, y'all team Ryu or team Ken? Which one y'all used to pick back in the day?
Ryu.
I did too. Definitely pick Ryu. Is it safe to link my MetaMask to Wax? Yeah. So if you use MetaMask, like MetaMask isn't like my primary, but think about Wax. Can you link your MetaMask to Wax? I don't know if you can. I think you could buy it directly on there. Like I said, I bought mine from KuCoin and then moved it from KuCoin over to Wax. That's how I did it. I want a Blanca so bad. Who got a Blanca?
I got mad Blancas.
Hey, Tanisha, go to the group, go to the chat and put it in there, man. We're gonna get you a Blanca. We're gonna trade with each other.
Yeah.
In fact, let's do that. Everybody know what we got, man, so we can trade with each other, man. And Dev has the best question. Who the F is Rashid? He definitely must have came in a later game because I don't remember no boy named Rashid
At all.
With
the YMCA pose with the
Yo, man. All right, so this is for Tyrone because he knows all this stuff. What exactly is crafting? I just showed it.
When you're crafting, is basically like leveling up your card. So you're increasing the power level. You're increasing the rarity and the value of the card.
There you go.
So it's like for Pokemon. If you evolved your Pokemon
on the marketplace, people are selling packs for way more than we bought them for. Yeah, see, they already trying to up the price. Mm-hmm. Merging 2 cards is like trying to get a better rank card.
Yeah.
They over here trying to trade on the Street Fighter Discord.
I don't even know how you can read
what's
that.
What's crazy is the NBA could technically do that too with the top shots. Imagine if they let you merge your top shots.
Like that'll be funny just for the jokes. Like, so if I mix like a Bradley Beal with like a CJ McCollum, do I get Dame? Like, how's it work?
No, I'm saying like, but if you buy two of the same clip and merge them and move your number up somehow, the way they're doing it with
burn off.
You know what's kind of funny though? Like I kind of look at it as they kind of extending off of NBA 2K.
Yeah, they are.
NBA
They are.
2K has a lot of the same kind of mechanics, and I think like everything. This is really a bunch of microtransactions for real.
Mm-hmm. True.
But
Great point.
they're doing it in a way that appeals to the crypto community. And again, we all clout chasing over here. So as soon as
hey Malik. Yeah, Malik, you see me. You see me. Yeah, man. So we gotta get in there and let everybody know what we got in terms of Street Fighter, so we can get to it and start trading with each other, man. Like, did you get what's your best card, Tyrone?
let me take a look real quick.
You can share your screen too if you want. If you I'm not gonna tell you to put your stuff out there. If you want to show it, you can show it.
I don't have no problem.
So for the folks out there that watch us for the precious metals and all that, I'm actually gonna do this box opening live on air. You did. So, but while we doing that, y'all gentlemen could talk about what kind of stuff y'all got.
All right.
What's your top card on Top Shot, Hank?
My top is my Tyler Hero. I got a Tyler Hero, which I mean, because they're part of that collection, we didn't even talk about that piece of the Top Shot either. The way that they use the collections, where if you collect cards that they've designated, you get a special card, you get a super duper rare card. So that just makes people want, like, if you're one card from that raises the price. Every people will be willing to pay anything just to get that. So I got a Tyler Hero that luckily I took right back down, because it was almost to the point where I had it up for 600 and it was just about to hit that price level, and I was like, hold on, let me take that back.
It got you scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to take my time, y'all watching, opening this box, because I ain't trying to cut my finger off. Although it might get our views up, we might go viral then.
Dude,
watch the NFT nerd cut his finger off trying to open package.
Yeah, man.
I'll make World Star on that one, Core.
Yes,
yeah. So
so I gotta
let the folks know, right? We talk about stocks, we talk about options, we talk about real estate, but we really do practice what we preach. So that's why. All right, so you see the package. I'm just opening it, and here it is. Here, you did. So, like I said, I'm doing this opening live on air. This is a piece of precious metal. So, let me do this real fast. So, for my metal collectors out there, people that are members of Bodyhood University that took the precious metals course, and by the way, go to bodyhooduniversity.com. We still got that precious metals course. I'm gonna show you what we're doing in that space. So now you see our NFTs. Here's our precious metal. Oh yeah, and we selling real estate too. We doing it all. And for y'all that be in the Sunday class, y'all see our stock options. So we really out here doing what we say we doing. But I'm gonna show y'all this metal. This is fire. Hold up, real quick.
Yeah, I'm waiting on. I'm actually.
You see, I got the bubble wrap, yo. And when you get bubble wrap, it's hard to not Man, they wrap the hell out of this. All right. I got you, bro. Here it come. Pause.
Pause, granddad.
All right, so here we go, y'all. See if y'all can see this right here. You see this? This is an American Eagle. All right.
It's Lady
Liberty. But it doesn't look like other American Eagles, because here's a regular American Eagle. Here's a 2021 silver American Eagle. All right. For those that want to see a 2021 silver American Eagle. Here is a copper American Eagle. Right. And by the way, copper is up to $4 a pound a day, which is insane. Don't buy copper though. And here's a whole row of, you can see that these are gold American Eagles in this thing here. But this one is special because this is platinum.
Oh,
yeah.
Like
You need to make you a Rockefeller chain out of that.
You already know. So this right here, this is a platinum, and I'm gonna take a picture of this to show y'all that for the folks that are part of Bodyhood University, y'all about to see this because what I'm saying, I'm about to change my number on y'all because I got me a platinum American Eagle. So I'm about to start acting real brand new in these streets. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, that's our latest precious metals drop. We showed you guys the NFTs. What else we got to show, Corey? Oh, some real estate real quick. Real estate. Before we jump back into the NFTs, I gotta show y'all this too.
Got a house for sale.
Yeah, we selling cribs too, right? So this is I want to show y'all this crib real quick. We just got finished the work. Shout out to my partner Kerry who put all the amazing designs in this place here. But we also flipping property. So this is our property right here that we got for sale on the market. You know what I'm saying? In Philadelphia. So you need somebody looking for a new crib. This is what it looks like. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. You know, this is cool. This is the downstairs or what have you.
Yeah, that floor is crazy.
Half bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Here's the floor. Look at the transition from a living room to the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? We artsy out here.
Smart y'all.
Yeah. So this is the newest crib we got for sale. You know what I'm saying? So we flipping cribs, we doing precious metals, we doing NFTs, we do a little bit of everything, man. Just gotta make sure.
And we running the options, and we also running the covered calls and
I ain't even going to that, bro. Yeah, we getting busy out here, bro.
Yeah, we moving around a little bit, man. I'm waiting for my what's the name to come back for my closing. I grabbed a couple properties, so when I get that paperwork back, I'll show you all my joints.
And for our folks watching in California, New York, yes, that's 219. Because I know if 219 where y'all live at, you get a closet. So
right.
And I know Malik is watching. Malik can relate to what I'm getting ready to show you too. And for all y'all folks who are watching who are real estate agents, here's a hack for being a real estate agent, right? Because I'm still licensed to be a real estate agent. Here's the hack right here, listed by James Williams. What's that mean? Be your own client. I just gave y'all a gazillion dollars worth of game right there. Instead of chasing clients around, become your own client. You know what I'm saying? Buy the properties, do the flips, and then you become your own client. You dig? But we're gonna get back into these NFTs. So that's real estate, that's the precious metals. We're talking about it all, but let's see. We got some more comments. Let's get to them. So Mache said, sites undergoing maintenance couldn't purchase from the marketplace. I'm trying to catch dudes slipping with low series numbers cards and underpricing, like King from Menace to Society.
So that's kind of the benefit of all this. ESPN was talking about it. It's on the front page of Bleacher Report. Yahoo Sports was talking about it. When that next group come in, we could probably catch them slipping a little bit because people they're gonna put cards up and not really know what the value is. So I feel like this next group, we get your gat out. We can get them.
Sam, so the cards that they went for, they it was two different packs. It was like a special pack and a small pack. What did they go for today? Yesterday it was
40 and 10.
40 and 10. So depending upon which one, it's 40 and 10.
It was 60?
Whew, yeah, I think it was 60 the big boy. It was either 50 or 60.
Sam, appreciate that. He said it faster than I could top. Rock Nation. So you must be like Derek Grace with a house full of guns and all that metal, bro. Couple things about that, right? So the first answer to your question is yes. The second answer is if you take the precious metals course, you'll understand that you never leave your stash house where you crash out. There's ways that you store your metals, but never leave all your stuff, there. You know what I mean? So that's what it is. That flooring is fire. Appreciate that, Jose. Definitely appreciate that. Terry, thank you. All right, you feeling the floor? Joyful, man. Thank you. We try to do a little bit of everything here, man. It's all about the community and building. So
definitely got that.
So we got some news from Rich. Upcoming drop, 5,000 cars. Don't know what time. Oh, they just wrong with that.
Yeah, man.
They drawn with that.
And he do everything.
Dev said it was 50 and 10.
Yeah. Don't they do everything Pacific?
Yeah, that's the other part, man.
Yeah.
The world don't work on Pacific time, but that shit Eastern time.
I just crafted and got Karen Weld. I don't even know who Karen is. Like she
that's
ain't
though. The Weld, I think, is like the
second best, right?
Yeah, that's like the second best, maybe. They got some people. They got a 1% chance of getting like that high level joint, the collector's edition.
So my thing is, I merged the two and I got the number two highest. Like, am I supposed to keep going? Because like, if I only got a 1% chance, like, wasting cards?
You keep going because you're gonna level up that level of card. Like, here, hold on real quick.
Okay, I got you.
I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna give you an example.
Tyrone got the cheat code. He got the kids that know how to do this. He got the cheat code over there.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see. All right, here we go. I think he popped up there. So
All
this
right,
is your
y'all.
screen, right?
Okay, so this Abigail is my best card right now.
Mm-hmm.
So you see, he's number 85 out of 100.
Okay.
So you
Wow.
keep leveling them up, and they'll do that. But I have 2 Blancas, right? So this Blanca right here is, I think, just the base level Blanca, and you see he's 1633 out of 1799. The other Blanca is a higher level. I mean, I can't remember what kind it is, but it's 633 out of 705. So
Yo,
you
it
see
looks
how
like it got some like smoke or something on it. Is that? Oh no, that's where you put your cursor. Okay, never mind. That's where you put your cursor.
that's the effect of it. That's the effect.
Oh, it is an effect. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, he only 216. I can handle him. But yeah, so that's an example, bro. Quick.
So okay, all right, got you. So I gotta go in the marketplace and see what they're flipping them for, what they're selling them for. So folks, I know this is supposed to be an intervention, but Tyrone is schooling us on the Street Fighter game. I don't know if we can be helped right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, because right now, like I said, it's still fairly new. I'm not stopping with like, yo, if they drop a pack tonight, I'm buying the pack. Like, at least I'm gonna try to buy the pack. Let's put it that way. I can't guarantee.
My feelings are hurt because right before the whole site shut down, I was about to buy this LeBron dunk for like 4 something, and because
it's probably a stack now.
Yeah, somebody probably messed up, but now I guess this is where we at now. This is where we at,
bro. But I'm saying, look at the value of what you have, though. The value of what you have. Let's see.
Crabs in a barrel, baby.
Like, while we talking, we supposed to be doing this intervention. Like, I'm literally still looking at the marketplace right now, and I see. All right, well, how do y'all feel about the quality of the highlight? Because I see a good player that I like. It's a Joel Embiid that I'm looking at right now. Decent price for what it is. The highlight is kind of whack though.
Is it the one they call it a jump shot, but it's like flicking off his hand?
Yeah, with the and one. Yeah.
Ask me how I know that one.
Because you looking at it too. You got it.
How much did you grab that joint for? How much did you pay for that?
I'm about to click for number 363 230.
Man, so I was getting like 3,000 for $40, and the site clicked me off. That's when I got the call from the folks. So I was getting a 3,000 for $40. No, $60.
Right. Let me see.
3,000 for $60. I would have taken that all day long.
Yeah.
First of all, I just gotta let y'all know right now, this is the one that's gonna make me rich. So I'll show you this highlight right here. You know what I'm saying? This LE.
Get that shot out of it.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting y'all know right now that my taco fall. But I got that dumb highlight. It's somewhere down here. Here it go.
Yeah.
See, mine is in the 13,000 though, Hank. That was before I knew. Yeah, the highlight is kind of trash. Yeah. That was before I didn't know what I was doing. Like,
yeah, the highlight is trash, but where I'm looking at it, it's between the one above it is going for 1,200. The one below it is going for 400. So I'm gonna get it. Fuck it.
We supposed to get an intervention.
Look, the site intervened. It's still under maintenance. Yo.
It wouldn't let me
like, get out of here. None of y'all said stop though. It's supposed to be group therapy intervention, and y'all show me. Not one person said no. Don't get it. Y'all just watch me click it.
Yo.
I did for sure. Did I ain't even trying to stop you? Like, go ahead on.
So look at I got this one too. This is a cool catch joint. I got a Julius Randle.
That's nice though. Yeah. I like that play.
And it's a cool catch, which means it's one of those limited collectors contests going on.
Yeah, this is 43.96 out of 10,000. But here's something else too. I want to show this one real fast, just because I was showing this to Corey earlier. He made a point which was funny about this Zion play.
That's that mean joint, yeah.
Yo. He said when people get dunked on, it just looks worse when it's a left-hander.
Yeah, like left-handed dunk on you, that should just look stupid. Like you just can't get over that. Like he just jammed on me with the left.
So that's a 1705.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's a 1705. And
That's the same one I have, right?
you got that one, yeah. It's your fault I got that one.
That Anthony Davis you got too. I was looking at that one.
All right, but let me tell you my logic in this one, right? So this is a 770 out of what 15,000. It's LE now, so I'm lit. But my logic in this one is it's kind of a LeBron and Anthony Davis when you really think about it, because like LeBron passed.
Yep.
At least that's what I told myself, right? So
It's kind of like both of ours. It's just
I told myself that's gonna be worth more just because Bron is in there too.
I'm about to. I got a few.
You can share. Everybody can share their screen, but Rochelle, what's going on, Rochelle? How are you? Dev said Blanca got stink lines coming off of him.
Oh, Jim, you still got to show the site that you go to see your value, because I'll be clicking.
Definitely
I'll be
gotta show that.
refreshing the hell out of that.
Can you log in like you viewing the purchase in Top Shot?
Can you
log in like you viewing to purchase? I guess I understand. I mean, you log in. I mean, I don't understand the question, Patricia. Let me know exactly what you're trying to say there. I think somebody answered it.
Yeah.
Oh no, they said no drop. Go to sleep. Damn. Look at that.
Oh no, they might be lying.
Hank definitely needs to be. Hank ready to buy right now.
I wasn't going. I was just hoping that they was going to change their mind.
See, Dev's showing off, right? Dev's showing off, talking about that Zion came in his pack. He got it as part of a regular pack purchase.
And the crazy thing about Dev's pack was Dev was like number 51,000.
He got in when the joint was supposed to be over. Like people's credit cards must have messed up.
It was like 100 people. It was like 100 packs left, and he still got.
Do y'all have the no look 3-pointer? Well, I could tell you, but
let me show you. He talking about Braun, yeah.
let me show you real fast.
That's what I'm saying. I know that's going to sell no matter what. It can be 15,000, it can be 1,500, it can be 15 million. It's still going to sell.
Let me show you real fast. So yes, we got that. Boom! Look at this.
Bet.
I got the 1655, but yeah, we definitely this is going up.
Yeah. So I got my joint.
Better number than
all right, let me close mine down. Let's see what Corey got. What a rehab this is. So he copped these. What you got over? You got Kev Durant, Chris Paul, Damian. You got an all-star team.
Yo, I was
looking at that. Chris
I was
Paul.
literally going to get the all-star team, but they stopped. Listen, I'm going to grab every single person on the all-star team.
Yo, that Bradley Beal you got, I swear on Teenage Black Jesus, I was going to buy that. And I told you, my logic was like, yo, eventually he's going to start complaining and get traded, and it's going to be worth more money. But I didn't get it. Yeah. And I probably can't get it now. Now they probably done ran the price out crazy on that.
Price is up because I was looking at it earlier.
Damn. Click on that Kevin Durant. I'm shocked that they only got but a couple Kevin Durant's out, like period.
So I paid $139 for this. This the top sale.
Yeah.
Right. When you click on top sale, it'll show you everybody that bought it. And
that's on the blockchain. I think that's your specific card. How it
yeah. This specific card. So I paid the top price for it, $139, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you go back, right? Right. And look,
if you click on you got to click on the joint. Let's see, how many for sale by collection, whatever.
Oops, no, that's the wrong one. A little bit.
Where it says 235, whatever, available from how many are for sale? Right above where your top sale is, right there.
Lowest price $296. So I bought it for $139. It's more than doubled already.
Well, here's what you got to check though. You got to check your number versus their number, right? So that 296, you'll see it right there. That's the number it is.
So the lowest number is 75.29.
What's yours?
Mine is.
You got to go back.
Yeah, I got to go back and look.
Because that's how you do it.
8708.
Okay. Yeah. So theirs is a little bit better, I believe.
Yeah, but
but listen, the thing is now you got an LE though.
Right, but I can go check all the prices, right? So when you do is you go in there and check the prices and check around your range. So Dev said he was almost last in that pack drop and still somehow got better cards than all of us. Whoa, close.
Yeah, so Alicia, that's kind of what he's showing now. Like you see the where they're minted in terms of your number versus what's there. Let me see.
So I'm looking at it. So the lowest price is $75.29 right here, right? All the prices right near it. So I got 8,000. I got 8,600. So
Okay.
all the stuff in my range is going all between here. So you're looking at between 296. That's the lowest in the.
Yeah, Dev said we definitely brought our drugs into the rehab. So Janelle, Janelle laughing at us. He said,
So
check out Trey Young's first moment card. That card is definitely going to go up once the first moment badges come out.
ooh,
Oh, I didn't even know. All right, so what's that mean for the? I got a first basket for. I need Maxi to step his game up.
He played better last game. He turned it around.
yeah. So and it's 235 of these Jones up for sale. So the top sale is $3,569
Crazy.
for this Jones.
See, we supposed to be in rehab. We got cats ready to spend money. Crystal says, man, she about to go bet her rent money. Y'all got me sold. When it open back up, she's buying more cars.
Yes.
They don't blame.
We need accountability partners. That's what we need.
She said she'll trade her 8-year-old for a LeBron card.
Damn.
Yeah.
I mean, I should tell you.
Might
I
not
should
be
tell you.
enough.
I should tell you don't do that. But
Right.
the way I'm situated right now, how I feel about this right now. No, but this is awesome though. I mean, it's dope that we get to figure look at these values go up. But also share what we got going on with these cards. I'm looking. Said I'm looking at my savings like Diddy stare. Like Dave says they're going to add first moment badges for whichever card was minted first for each player.
Okay.
That's interesting.
So almost all of these right now are going to be first moments because there's not many players that have more than one clip right now.
Yeah, this is absolutely true. And he talks about Taco Fall. I know I just showed this, right? But every time y'all bring that up, because I'm telling you, this is the one. This is the one y'all not even thinking about. That's in the collection already. Beaks, that's in the collection. You see it right here. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna show it again because this is the one. Get it out of here. First of all, how many more moments you think Taco Fall is gonna have?
I mean, he a younger dude. He might have some time in him. He might develop.
He just tall, man.
Hey, Crystal, I know this definitely is the worst rehab ever. Yo, all right, anyway, so we been here for a minute, man. So moving forward, man, like what's the move? Like, what are y'all thinking about doing? Like y'all still going pedal to the metal, buy more? Or what's the move? Because what I'm noticing is I noticed some folks, just from talking to people on Twitter or whatever, they're actually playing it better than me. They're trading up. So they're like selling their cars and then taking that money to buy like better cars, and then they're moving it, you know what I mean? They're moving it that way. Where me personally, I'm not able to let go of anything. I haven't sold any card that I bought. Any moment that I bought, I haven't sold any of them. So, matter of fact, Tyrone, have you sold anything yet?
No, fam. Like everything that I got, like I got it with the intention of holding because I know, like a lot of mines were already LEs anyway.
Mm-hmm. Shit on all of mine are LEs anyway.
Yeah, I was being real selective with my move because I wanted to get some moments. Like I started off buying the LeBron. Then after that, I think I bought a Carmelo because I don't think he has too much time left. I got that John Wall behind the back joint that they was promoting. So I'm feeling good about my prospects in the future.
I feel good about your prospects too.
Hey, I know you put something on the market, but did you sell anything yet?
No, I like you said, man, I can't let them go. But everything I put on the market about an hour later, I'm like, no, I need that back. Like, so I just cancel my sales because it's moving so fast that I don't want that remorse of damn, man, I sold it for that.
They have that built in too. They figured something out. They got that built in. They got everything you said built in. They got the scarcity thing built in. They're constant highlights every night. So the supply, this is amazing.
Yeah.
So Tyrone, I know you're a crypto guy too. Let me ask you this question: should we be looking at the Flow token?
I think it's you have to at this point. Like just because of how much notoriety they have right now. coming off of the Top Shot, and then the fact, like I said, they add in UFC in, and then whoever else they get any contracts with to start doing this, they in the building. And I don't see them leaving. Like, they really, they're not even first to market, but let's say that they're first to market with this, with the sports, integrating the sports.
Yeah, because I see a question from Angela. Thoughts on So Rare? So I think So Rare does like digital cards too, but I don't know if they let me see. I think that's Global Fantasy Football is what So Rare is. I'm looking at it now. All right, so it's soccer. Yeah, see, so that's the thing, right? So So Rare is soccer. That's probably going to be profitable too. But the thing is, I don't know anything about soccer. So NBA Top Shots like is perfect for me because I'm a hoops head anyway. You know what I'm saying? So, and I want to bring up a couple more comments because this was interesting too. So not one in this series, but just the first moment. That really makes all these seem like long-term holds. Yeah. So, and Beach 4K says, look at the cheap Series 1 players like PJ Tucker. I'm not selling until Series 3. So that's a whole different strategy.
Yeah.
Go find the trash players, but get their Series 1 moments. And that's also what's interesting about people having these different ways to value them and different strategies. Like you're starting to see all that already.
Yeah.
So
see, I'm thinking like
called,
honestly, like yo, you gotta look for the moments that's really going to stand out though. Like dunks, high impact blocks. Like if somebody palms the ball and they blocking it, like I think that's them disrespectful moments where people like my man in the chat said you got the no look shot, the no look three. Like we automatically knew who he was talking about.
We already knew who.
Yeah, we definitely did.
So I
like
think
that nasty Zion dunk.
Yo, that Zion dunk is nasty.
Yeah.
All right. So
one of my strategies when I was on my little spending spree this morning or yesterday morning was I was looking for older players that are Hall of Famers, future Hall of Famers, because I have a feeling like they're going to come out with collections when these players retire. So it might all of a sudden. So like Dwight Howard, he's trash right now, but I caught his card for $2, and if they have a collection, commemorating his career, that will be a card that somebody will need to get. So I'm in the long holding these.
Yeah, that's why I grabbed the Chris Paul.
Yeah, exactly. I was looking at the Chris Paul. Yep.
Yo, I got that Dwight Howard as part of my pack.
I'm sorry.
The play is dope though, but
for the record, I didn't get no pack, so I need y'all to stop talking about them packs. Anyway,
he couldn't get in. He couldn't get in. Like that. The pack drop the other night was crazy.
So did you show up? Were you like late, or were you there on time and still didn't get in?
I was in the chat and I was getting in line with everybody else, and everybody else got packs and I didn't.
Damn.
Yeah. I don't know if Cordell on here, but he ain't getting no pack either. He's still mad. He's still in line.
He was in the group mad as hell. So that's an interesting strategy though, Beaks. Like I wonder, like I'm gonna go back and do that. Like, but at this point, I wonder if you could find anything in the single digits. That's what's pissing me off. Some of these plays, yo, I was on this site last year, and I'm just watching it, and I'm like, yo, I could have bought up them everything. Like, oh man, it's frustrating.
But you know what? That's how
the crib out in Dumbo.
Yeah, pretty much.
But the whole like I when I started looking at Bitcoin's price again, and I looked up when Coinbase actually developed their app, it was 2012. And I think about how much money I wasted in 2012.
That's true. That's true.
Bro, I probably bought a cheesesteak that I didn't need that year that I could have been a millionaire over.
Bitcoin is shit. So real quick though, unless you're it's the Flow token. That's the blockchain that the Top Shots run on. So it's called Flow. So we check this out. Have y'all checked this out? Somebody in the chat pulled this up. Let me know what this is. I'm not sure what that is. So what you got? I got a Zion dunk. That's LE, but a high number. That mean it's worthless?
No.
Yeah, send it to me. It's worthless. No, Tanisha, I'm joking.
Number so I can.
Tanisha, quite the opposite. So Crystal said, see, we got her spending money. We actually are creating more addicts as opposed to being talking about our problems because she just bought 2 cards. So, congratulations, Crystal. Like, let us know in the group. Put your links to your cards and let us know what you got.
Nobody want to smoke alone, baby.
This is a fantasy game for NBA Top Shot moments. So they got a fantasy game.
Oh,
yeah, that's the other thing. They're launching like their own official game from this too.
Oh shit!
So
So you
it's
can play fantasy shit. I like my fantasy team. Shit.
Yeah,
Oh,
I got Taco though, so it is what it is. His goal is to sell most of his players until he can afford the Vince Carter.
ooh,
That Vince Carter going for a grip right now.
because Vince Carter was an animal.
Wait till they release him jumping over the ball in the Olympics.
Yeah, that's gonna be nuts.
Flo
Frederick
is trading
White.
for $18.40. Yo, wasn't Flo like $8 last week?
Yeah,
Was it a couple weeks ago? That's crazy.
yeah.
We missed that boat too.
We ain't missing nothing because we just getting started. You buy
This is true. This is true. This is true.
We ain't missing nothing.
Yeah, so we gotta get into that, man. So listen, folks, this was supposed to be an intervention, end up not being an intervention, end up making me want to go spend some more money.
Hey, yo, I'm buying something right now, baby.
Yeah, I was about to say that. That Embiid. I just saw
See,
that
man,
Embiid.
come on, man.
It's calling me.
I'm literally buying the Embiid right now.
See, man, look. So you and Michelle, man. He went and got a Dwight. Oh, he got Dwight Howard. He got Dwight Howard.
Smart, man. Smart. That Hall of Fame pack is gonna happen. Trust me.
Oh man.
Come on, man. Come on, just let me in, baby. Let me in.
I'm buying my all-star team for Swish. I'm buying my fantasy team. I got Bradley Beal, the Chris Paul, I got the Durant, and I got
Listen, bro. I'm gonna take it a step further, man. I'm gonna start watching some college ball tonight. I gotta see who coming in. I'm scouting now, man. Cause I mean, just to get you once you get on the blockchain, I need to know what you could do, man.
yeah.
All right, man. So I see everybody tied up in their computers, man.
Yo, that Bradley Beal, baby. Somebody messed up.
You got it?
I'm about to check. You know how it does the processing payment, so you gotta
Yeah,
wait.
somebody
You
jumped
gotta
ahead.
wait and hope that it don't show up on your credit card without no card.
Look, Embiid out there making y'all some money. He got 20 so far in the first half. Let's go, Embiid. Eat that trash. Look at that trash.
I'm spinning. My process is spinning right now during that Embiid. Come on, baby.
Yo, but funny thing is that's how you are watching the games though. Like when I got the Maxi, when I was watching every game, like, come on, man, put Maxi in.
So you go crazy, so your card can go nuts.
So Michelle said he paid $15 for that Dwight. What did you pay for the Dwight card?
$2.
Damn, that's 8 times already. 2 days later.
Yo, sure, I'm not lying. Yo, sure, I'm dead serious, yo.
Come on, man. This joint is
Embiid for
spinning.
95.
Mine too, yo. I'm trying.
Yeah,
yo,
but that's a terrible number. It's some better deals up there. That's like $100 and something dollars. So you can spend the 95, or you can move up like 1,000 numbers and spend.
I wish the bank ain't called me, man, because literally I would have had the whole All-Star team. I was ready to literally spend about $3,000.
Hey, Crystal, your thoughts are everybody's thoughts right now, man. YOLO, man.
Bro, listen, the bank was like, no, dog, you not today. You might be able to do it, but you ain't doing it today.
Come on, fam. Don't do this.
They called me,
man. Y'all insane, man. All right, man. So this is so for the folks out there that are members of Bodyhood University, man, we want to have an intervention in there, man. But I want y'all, when y'all get y'all cards or whatever, yo, share your moments, yo. And look, Beeks is telling you right now, man. Beeks, listen, I believe you, bro. From your mouth to God's ears, man. Here we go. Y'all gonna be millionaires in a couple years. Just keep buying and holding all-star players. See?
Very much.
See? There you go. There you go. So to answer your question, Tanisha, right there. The lower the number, the better card. Yeah.
Yes.
The closer you get the one.
The better your card.
Yep.
Oh,
That's
man.
exactly it.
My Embiid is just the process payment is just spinning, man. I don't know if I got it or not.
Somebody got you, B.
too?
It's probably somebody watching us right now.
Yeah. Yo, if somebody in the group grab my Embiid that I thought y'all ain't shit.
Somebody in the group got y'all grab this Embiid. Please share that. We need to see it.
Put it in the see.
Go try to sell it to me for $500 too.
All right, listen. So we've been up here for a while, man. We showed the coin, man. You know, in case y'all missed it, I just want to show y'all again, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the platinum right here, man. You know, talk to me nice. Talk to me nice.
Rockefeller chain.
Look at Dev said. Dev said it ain't him though. Yeah, all right, Dev.
Yo.
But listen though, we definitely gonna be back here next week, man. I definitely gonna talk about Top Shot. We can't not talk about it now. But real quick, everything else that we got going on, check out the episode that we currently have on By the Hood, the podcast. We talked to Jamar James, who is the founder of DCG, Digital Currency Guy. And as a matter of fact, speaking of that, if you go to Buy the Hood University, we have an NFT, mastermind class on there, which is through DCG, but it's on Buy the Hood University. So the founder of DCG was actually on our podcast this past week. And the podcast we got coming up next Wednesday is with a gentleman. He's a real estate investor, young brother who owns about 150 houses. About 30 years old, owns a bunch of cribs. So we talk to him, talk about his whole life and his whole strategy. But that's kind of what's going on. So check that out. Check out everything we got going on. Check us out all over the internet because we probably gonna be talking more about these top shots because we don't know what to do with ourselves right now, man.
And them Street Fighter joints, like
Street Fighter too, dog. I gotta figure that out, man. Tanisha said that it's a maintenance thing going on. It's not letting her be great. So maybe got you, Hank. That's what's going on.
Or Tanisha did it, and now she's trying to throw me off the trail by saying it's the maintenance. I know how I go.
Look, Krista said she's stuck in the process and she don't know what went through or not. So everybody on here, man.
Yeah, that's where I'm at too.
Yeah, man. 22 for Embiid, man. Most 20-plus point halves in the NBA this season. Let's go, Embiid. The trash highlight. That trash highlight.
Yeah, that's going goofy, but I'll take it.
Yeah, man. Yo, the crazy part is after you spend a lot of money for a card, like if you start spending a couple $100s for a card, you start looking at the other cards like that's $20, like, and then you start going crazy, and then before you know it, you know what I mean, you doing bad, man. But anyway, man, we'll be back here next week, man. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Thank y'all for all the comments. We appreciate it. Make sure you haven't yet.
Hold on.
Go ahead, Corey.
We gotta say, mad crazy love to everybody at Buy the Hood University who really been, putting it down and going after it. We gotta say thank you to all of our partners. Tropicana Les, Jay Satoshi, we got DCG, we got we got Lance, we got a
matter of fact. Let me do that before we get out of here, Corey. I just want to show y'all this one. I ain't show y'all this one. This is the classic one, the vintage, but it's also an American Eagle. You know what I'm saying? You know what? And the reason I buy Eagles all the time is because I'm a member of Dipset, and y'all just don't know it yet. But anyway, let me share this real quick, Corey. I'm glad you said that. Because one of the things I want to share with the folks out there, because we talk about NFTs, we talk about everything, but I want to share this site right here, which is Buy the Hood University. So if you go to Buy the Hood University, our site, buythehooduniversity.com, you'll see all of our social media. This is our NFT masterclass. So it talks a little bit about NFTs, everything you know to get started in NFTs, which include NBA Top Shot, by the way. Intro to price action with Lance, right? So Lance, who's a master trader, she breaks down how to study the charts. This right here is like the ultimate package, the DCG Mastermind Group. Thing about DCG Mastermind Group is it's a mastermind for NFTs, for cryptocurrency, for options. This is the top of the line offering we have as DCG Mastermind Group.
Man. Listen,
the money, crazy. I'm not even going to really go too deep into it. Let's just put it this way, man. Never mind, I don't want to do that because I ain't trying to be on here and sound like I'm bragging. But DCG Mastermind tells you how to get to it. Here's another course right here, How to Cash Out on IPO Lockups by Diamond Dave Williams. That's also on Buy the Hood University. For those who want to know how to cash out when the company goes public and they have IPO lockups, he's has a course on that. This right here is a crypto trading report. Every month, there'll be a new trading report where you can figure out what's going to happen in the month ahead of time in the cryptocurrency space. So when the next report drops for March, you can get it and know everything that's going to happen in the month of March. That's right. Intro to precious metals. Combination of both of our stock courses. This is an options course. We have a crypto course for those who want to start out in crypto. We have 2 webinars that are available, Black Assets and the Language of Money. What's crazy about these 2 webinars is we were trying to put them up for free, but we had to put a price on them. So the price on these 2 webinars are $2.54. So for $2.54 a piece, you can actually, go watch these webinars and see what we're about. 6 Steps to 7 Figures is another course. This is a hands-on training with a real estate developer. We got the digital version of our book, On Your Time and Space. So all this is at buythehooduniversity.com. I definitely want to make sure I share that because there's a lot of stuff going on there, a lot of education. And we're still out, I would say in the streets, but we're not in the streets no more. We're still out on these Zooms, getting busy teaching the folks. And we got a couple classes tomorrow. We're going to be talking to Hank's family tomorrow, as a matter of fact, breaking down stuff. So, we be out here, man. So that's what it is, man. People still complaining about the cards, man. 2 cards went not available. That is the worst. I've had that happen to me. That is the worst. We need an intervention for that. Yeah, man. Listen, Bex, appreciate that, man. I'll check out your channel, man. I hope you got some Top Shot content. It's definitely gonna be some. I see that happening. Me and Hank talked about doing a show. Like, if y'all interested in that, let me know. Me and Hank talked about putting together a Top Shot show. We just open up packs.
Yep.
So
I mean,
And like Tyrone said, my kids love to watch people open up shit all the time. So I know we could get some viewers and open up packs.
the viewership gonna go sky high.
yeah, we just open up packs, yo, because we're gonna be buying packs every week. Like I'm sitting there now. I was telling my wife, I said I need a budget every week for Top Shots. But anyway, Mike, listen, Lance is a legend, yo. Lance is an absolute legend. Yo, Stu ain't lying, bro. He said you're gonna need a course just on NBA Top Shots, like just by itself. Yeah, that's definitely dope, man. So yeah, man. So stay in tune with us. Check everything we got going on. Check us out on all social medias at By the Hood. Tyrone, man, the folks want to see what you got going on social media. What's the best? What website are you on, man? You on Christian Mingle or something like that?
Man, like I'm on Instagram. I don't really post on Instagram. I'm real heavy on Facebook. Like, you know, that's where I am. It's home for me. So easy to find me through By the Hood because I comment. I'm usually posting anyway.
There you go. So you find them right through us, man. And Billy Beige, I know your Instagram is at Billy Beige. So hold on, Tyrone said I'm on Instagram, but I'm not really posting on there. So I already know what you're doing on there. I'm just gonna leave that alone, though. We ain't gonna put it out there. Them double taps, hey? What she got for breakfast this morning?
Look, I'm trying to get better though. I started unfollowing people.
Listen, man, it's all good, man. Listen,
you ain't bringing no value, baby.
Listen, man, the Lord is working on you. We get it, man. Anyway, man, Hank, man, what's the best place how folks can find you?
Yeah, man. You can find me on Instagram at Billy Beige, Twitter at Billy Beige, Facebook in the group.
You gotta start sharing some of your Top Shots on your IG page, man.
Yeah, I'll do that. And then YouTube too. Every once in a while, when I feel inspired, I'll throw some. Maybe I'll make a Top Shot song. Maybe I'll do that. I like to do my parody songs, so maybe I'll do some Top Shot music.
Yeah, man. Hank got some legendary parodies on his YouTube channel, man. He's went viral a couple times, man. But anyway, man. With that being said, thank y'all folks for tuning in. We'll see y'all next week, man. And to the young ladies out there on IG, Tyrone, we'll see you on our timeline. Y'all take it easy though, man. We'll talk to y'all.